Hello, this video is an introduction to record management system software, um, and I'm just going to start it here quickly, log into it. As you can notice that it has a login feature and security feature built into it, which if I look at right the first part of it, the users, these are the users that can be created in the system, and each user can be given a certain set of privileges, which is a number from 1 to 15 in all of these different functions for the software. And based on these privileges, the user can perform or not be able to perform these functions, which is mainly adding records, deleting records, and updating records in various parts of the software. The software is designed to keep records of individuals, children, people, um, in basically either a school environment or an orphanage or a clinic. That could include medical records, school records, socioeconomic records of kids, and various things. So if you look under the menu here, let's just start with the inventory, for instance. This would be the inventory of a pharmacy, for instance, and there's details of it, and whether that inventory is being consumed by patients and what have you. The second part of it is the school itself, whether it's the records of the teachers or classes within that school or the students in that school and what grades. And there's a lot of functionality as far as keeping grades and records and exams and information about the, the school. And lastly would be just the main screen here, where you're just having the the kids themselves, like the basic records of the children. So if I double click at a child here, it's just their parents' information, their social security, their grade, and what have you. And as you click at various things in this screen here, the photo of the child, the biography, if there's anything that could be typed in here and saved, the socioeconomic information that could be stored for that child if it's an orphanage environment, and legally you need to record those information. And there's other things, like for instance the donations, if it's a place where there's donations, that you need to keep records of them, each donation, what's exactly given and its value and what have you. And maybe lastly would be if there's volunteers and sponsors in an orphanage environment, again, that could be also, the records could be kept, and down here, you know, could be designated if that person is sponsoring a child or what have you. So that's really a quick, one last thing maybe before I quit here. You could have also the reports function where, let's say we run a report here and we say the child number or ID, and just show me all the records of that. So it has a reporting functionality where things could be printed or emailed and what have you. So that's kind of the last feature that's available in this software. The software is free. It's given to nonprofit organizations and what have you. So if there's a need, it could be given to an organization as long as they contact the company and ask for it. So that's a quick introduction to what record management system is, and there's other videos that I've put out there as far as different functionalities of the inventory and record keeping and recording logs of individuals and what have you. So with that, I'm going to close this video. Thank you for watching.